Another day that the Mustang is still here. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, if you guys saw my last video, it's a little bit kind of not depressing, a little bit sad though, how I admitted I made a mistake when I bought the Project Mustang for the channel. I don't know, I'm just kind of over it right now, and I'm just trying to sell it. I was talking about how I was going to do a trade with a guy for a truck, but honestly, I'm just not even doing that. That dude was way too sketchy. I'm just gonna trust my gut, not gonna do it. I have some other kid coming later today that wants to buy it, and I have other people now lined up that want to buy it. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just sell it and just take that money and then buy what I really want, because this time I'm not going to settle. Make sure I get what I want to get for the channel, and it's going to be like what I really want. So there goes that. So honestly, you know, it was on me, but what else can you do? But now today we'll do something a little bit different. I'm gonna have some fun. We're gonna enjoy the Challenger RT. It is a beautiful day out today. I want to actually go out and like do some real driving, go out on some back roads. It's super early. It's a Saturday morning, super early in the morning. Should be no traffic out on all these back roads. So let's go on out there, have some fun, and do a whole bunch of POV videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. But I really do hope this kid buys this today. I don't know if he knows how to drive stick or not. I think he does. I don't really know. But either way, I hope it's gone. I wouldn't be a YouTuber if I didn't do a cold start, would I? So let's do it. All right, but first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a scouting lap. I just wanna go out, do a quick scouting lap, make sure that the roads are at least clear, there's nothing really on the roads, and that there's no like cops and everything out. But I'm just gonna I like to do back roads. It's just so much easier, so much funner. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick scouting route, and then we're gonna jump right into it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. On a quick side note, you want to see Canada? It's literally just over there. The good thing about living so close to Canada is you can literally see it, but the Coast Guard is literally watching. In one of my older videos, a Coast Guard came over to me because he thought someone snuck off of a boat and like went on one of these docks. But without further ado, let's go over to the Challenger and let's get this video started. bad attempt. Put in auto. That was a really bad attempt. Just tire squeal. One more. Brake torque it. Better launch. Better launch. Wasn't that great of a run. all these 0 to 60 attempts are just bad. Man, I can't even beat my best like when it was cold out. But whatever. I'm just out having some fun, not doing anything too serious right now. But I'm about to run out of gas, so I need to stop doing this and I need to like get some gas ASAP. So I'm gonna cut this right now. I'm at my favorite place now, Tim Hortons. That was so sketchy. I literally almost ran out of gas, dude. Oh my god. That was the most sketchiest thing I almost stopped at the one reservation, but they didn't have any 89, and I was like, I think I can make it to another gas station. And I've never been that low in this car. I've only run out of gas once in my entire life. That was in like my first car, my Chevy Lumina, like a 1996. Only time I ever ran out of gas. This time I was a little bit nervous. I was like, oh God, I might run out of gas, like literally right now. But yeah, we're at Tim Hortons. I'll see you guys when we get back home. And we're back home, and the Mustang is here, and I have like people literally messaging me right now about it. So if it doesn't get sold today, I mean, I have other people lined up, so hopefully this thing gets sold so we can make room for another vehicle. But just like that, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Yeah, had a little fun, nothing too crazy. It was getting too busy out, so I stopped, and I was running out of gas too, but then it was getting too busy. The one thing I always wanna stress is that risk versus reward. Don't do anything stupid if there's people out. So have fun, just don't do anything stupid when there's other people around you. So in case something happens, it's on you, and you don't put anyone else at danger. So that's my small PSA. But yeah, guys, I'm in the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out my channel, a lot of different stuff on the channel. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, all one word. Same name as the YouTube channel, or go to the website geekswithcars.com. And like that, I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.